The death toll after deadly floods hit the Nigerian town of Mokwa on Thursday has risen to more than 200, and this is according to officials. There are still 500 people missing in the town of the north-central Niger state as search mission continues. The deputy chairman of Mokwa local government, Musa Kiboku, told the BBC that rescue efforts have ceased because authorities no longer believe that anyone could still be alive. The floods, said to be the worst in the area for 60 years, swept through the towns of Tifin Maza and Agowan Hausawa after a bout of torrential rain.